Hello, this is Dr. Dennis Layton. Wanted to comment on my Somnodent oral appliance, and received it here at Matthews Family Dentistry. I was previously a CPAP patient for approximately 7 years, and was getting tired of the routine that goes with that, the cleaning, the tubing, and the appearance to the wife in bed and all this. So I tried the oral appliance, and it's working out great. I've been just as alert with this as with CPAP, and it's a lot easier to take care of, clean, store, take with you on trips. You do not have to spend the time and the effort. The regimen, the routine at night is quick as opposed to timely. And so I've been very pleased with it, and I've had excellent service here, Matthews Family Dentistry. I would recommend this device to people who are having trouble with CPAP or have gotten tired of cleaning it, don't want to take it on trips, and even could use it just to take on trips if you wanted. But for me, it's a every nightly thing that, is the difference between me working well during the day or struggling. So I'm a happy camper with this.